guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and use Snapchat camera. And right now I'm on the Snap camera website, and I'm just going to press download and just wait for it to load. And here's just some system requirements and some Snap camera license agreement, and I'm just going to click on the I have read the privacy policy and agreed to the Snap camera license agreement and the terms of service. And I'm just going to write my email, and I'm going to click I'm not a robot. And I'm just going to press the download for PC, and I have already done that and installed it, so it wouldn't take long. So let's just open the Snap camera application right now. Alright, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. My Wi-Fi isn't that good, so this is why it's like this. So normally it wouldn't be like this, but to add a filter, I'm just going to press on one of these things. And yeah, now I have the filter on my face. I'm a cartoon, and I can take a picture here by just clicking on this camera and take photos. So get ready to pose. And I'm just going to save this here. I'm just going to save it randomly. And that is basically it. By the way, your text will show up and it won't be like that. It's just because my Wi-Fi is really bad right now. That's why some things aren't showing up. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and just write it in the comment section down below. Alright, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!